Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you something related to Automator. This service which is written by me. This is a Apple script program, and what does it do is if you select some files from a hard disk or a pen drive, it automatically sorts the files by their extension and then copy them to respective folders. Right now I can show you that there is no documents present in my, these are only folders, no PDF files are there. In movies there is no movies files, and in pictures there is no picture files, and for music the same. Now these are some files. This one is PDF file, this one is picture, this here movie, and this is a song. Okay, now I just select all of them, double click and head to this services. Here you can see I have already installed this service, so it shows sort, copy and move. I just click it out, and right here you can see what gear is moving. This is what tells you that now I want to copy or move. I can select or do nothing. I will simply choose move. It will simply move the files, and you can see right here they have moved all the files to their respective folders. Like in pictures you can see the pictures, and in documents the PDF is here. This works simply, very easy to install. You have to double click. I will give description, you can simply download it and install it. After that only the method I have showed, you have to follow that. And if you want to change anything in this Apple script, you can change it, and I have given some lines which indicates what's the purpose of the code. Okay, you can follow it up and you can manually change. Okay, this is what to show you up. And if you like this video, if you like this application, do like, share and hit subscribe, and again do comment and give feedback so I can generate this type of projects more and more. Okay, thank you.